Hi everybody. Today I'm just doing a quick painting to use up some leftover paint. I have 24 karat gold by Deco Art. It's their bright metallics. It is mixed with a little bit of the Liquitex Basics because I'm almost out of the gold. I have a pewter color right here, and then I have this Fire Opal by Folk Art mixed with the Golden's iridescent copper. And then I have the silver by Deco Art. So I just have some basic colors. I might add white. I haven't decided yet because this is a small painting. It's only 7 by 14. I love these sizes, these fun sizes, just different than the usual ones that I do. So just wanted to play around with this this leftover paint. That's actually really cool. It's like copper canyons or something. I'll hold it up. I don't know if you can see it with my crazy studio lights. That's cool. For just a little 7 by 14 painting. It's different. I actually like it. I think I'm gonna have to do this on a bigger scale. I really like the way the copper and the gold mixed right here. Yeah, that's cool. All right, I'll show you the dried results.